Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate brand guidelines in Adobe InDesign detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate brand guidelines in Adobe InDesign, open the application on your computer. Create a new document or open an existing one where you want to implement the brand guidelines. Navigate to the window menu located at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, select Styles to expand the options. Click on Paragraph Styles to open the Paragraph Styles panel. If your brand guidelines include specific text styles, these will be defined in this panel. To create a new paragraph style, click on the New Paragraph Style icon at the bottom of the panel. Name the new style according to your brand guidelines, like body text or header. Set the font, size, leading, and other attributes based on your brand specifications. Once customized, click OK to save the new style. Repeat the process to create additional styles for headings, subheadings, and any other specific text elements. Next, access the swatches panel from the window menu. Add the colors specified in your brand guidelines by clicking the new swatch button. Input the color values in either CMYK or RGB, depending on your project needs. Label the colors clearly for easy identification. After adding all necessary colors, ensure they are saved in the swatches panel. Now, you can apply these styles and colors consistently throughout your document. Select text in your document and choose the appropriate paragraph style from the Paragraph Styles panel. Similarly, highlight objects or shapes and apply your branded colors from the swatches panel. For logos or images, import them by going to File and selecting Place. Choose your logo file and click Open to position and resize the logo as needed to fit within your design layout. To maintain consistency, use grids or guides to align elements according to your brand standards. Finally, review your document to ensure all elements align with your brand guidelines. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your design. You are now ready to export your document, ensuring your brand identity is effectively represented. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.